everyone, welcome to Secret Spice. This is Casey and today we are gonna make a simple recipe and it's gonna be Veg Spring Rolls. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so coming to the ingredients, I have shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, chopped ginger and garlic, chopped capsicum, chopped spring onions. I have black pepper, some white pepper, all-purpose flour. We have some chili sauce, soya sauce, some salt, oil, and also the egg wrap rolls. So let's go ahead and first of all we'll be steaming the carrot and the cabbage. So let's do that first. Okay guys, so I have my water boiling and I need to steam my vegetables right now. So I added all my vegetables in a strainer like this, if you see, and I'm gonna keep it on top of my vessel and close it with a lid like this, and I'm gonna steam it for about 10 minutes. So by steaming this way the vegetables really get soft, and when adding it into the spring rolls and frying them, it really gives a good texture. So let's wait for about 10 minutes and we will go ahead with the next procedure. Okay everyone, so my vegetables are steamed. You can see them. I steamed up for about 10 minutes. Now let's go ahead and see the remaining preparation. Okay guys, so I added 2 tablespoons of oil and kept it on a high flame. So let's start adding one by one ingredients and prepare it. Firstly, I'm adding some of my spring onions. Next I'm adding some ginger and garlic. Always prepare the recipe on high flame. I'm adding some of my capsicum, not too much. And finally I'm adding my steamed vegetables. I'm adding some salt. I'm adding my white pepper. My black pepper. give it a kids will really love this recipe, and if you steam the vegetables, they will have no problem with it. So it's always better to try steaming them up just for them and prepare. So most of the kids will love it. Just a splash of my soya sauce. So if you want to spice it up, we can add a chili sauce, or else you can skip it. So I'm adding a bit of my chili sauce. Just to increase the flavor. Okay guys, so it's done. So I'm turning off my flame, and we will see how to let it cool down, and we will see how to wrap them up. Okay guys, so I have my spring roll sheets over here, and over here I had added some water into my all-purpose flour. I'll be using this to stick up the sheets so it doesn't unwrap itself while frying them. Now let's go ahead and start wrapping one by one. Spread it into the line. Using this, just wrap it around. And fold the other side this way. Fold the other side this way. Don't worry about how we are wrapping. We just need to seal it totally so the vegetables doesn't come out. So once we are done, we'll add half of flour over here. We will stick it up. There you go. Okay guys, so I have my oil heated up on medium flame for about 10 minutes. So let's fry our spring rolls. Fry them until they turn it into golden brown, and remove it into a paper towel. Let the paper towel absorb all the oil, and serve with some chili sauce. Just tap it so the oil gets absorbed. We are done. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to try this at home. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching Secret Spice. Signing off, Casey.